Hello everyone, welcome to Dart tutorial. In this video, you will learn about assert in Dart. So what is assert? Assert is a method which takes condition as an argument. If a condition is true, then nothing happens. If a condition is false, then it will raise an error. Let's see the live demonstration here. You can see the syntax of assert. Just you need to write assert and then you need to write a condition must be in boolean form. Either it can be true, either it can be false. You can write anything here. Basically, if you are checking something and there is mistake in your code when the condition is false, then you can test your code in live mode using assert. This is very beneficial. Okay, let's see how to use asserts. Basically syntax is very simple. Okay, let me open VS Code and let me write our main method. And okay, let's say integer age is equal to 18. Okay, I will write assert here. Assert age is equal to 25. Okay, my age is 25 but the actual age is 18. Here you can see we are checking is equal to 25. Okay, this is false condition. Okay, let's run the program. Just I need to write that, and our file name is assert org.dat. Okay, here you can see nothing happens. If I copy this code and paste it in Dartpad, okay, and if I run the program, here you can see it will. Okay, let's see, age is equal to 25. Okay, let's run the program again. Here you can see it is giving error, that is assertion failed. Okay, but our Visual Studio Code doesn't give any error. Why? Okay, you need to write some command. Here is that command. If you want to run the file in assert mode, then you need to enable asserts. Okay, just copy this one and paste it here. Okay, let me copy again. I need to copy this one and paste it here. Just change the file name. Our file name is assert org.dat. Okay, here you can see is equal to 25 is not true. It is giving us some error. Okay, in this way you can use assert. If I write here 2018 instead of 25, again run the program, then nothing happens because the condition is true. Okay, if the condition is true, then nothing happens. If the condition is false, then it will throw an error. Here you can also see if age is 25 at the declaration level, then it will not give you any error. Okay, if the age is not equal to this one, if the condition is false, then it will give you error. In this way you can use assert. You can also write your custom message. For example, if I write 25 here and comma, and you can write message age must be equal to 18. Okay, let's run the program. Here you can see age must be equal to 18 is shown. In this way you can use assert in Dart. I hope you find this assert method very useful. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have any question regarding Dart, then you can comment below. I will see you in the next video. Thank you. See you.